Welcome to our video today, and I will tell you how to get the Battlefield 6 open beta on PS5. First, make sure your EA account is correctly linked to your PlayStation Network account. Check the connections page on EA.com to avoid any access issues. Next, head to the PlayStation Store on your PS5 and search for Battlefield 6 open beta. It's free, and you should see an add to library or download button. Click that to install it. Alternatively, you can visit EA.com on a browser, log in, preload, or add the beta to your library, and then download it to your PS5's library. No beta code is needed. This open beta is free and available to everyone during designated weekends. For PS5 users with an active PlayStation Plus subscription, playing the beta also grants double XP immediately, and the free exclusive soldier skin will be given on release day if you play during the beta window. That's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.